This video shows you how to install an internal solutions port or ISP on your printer. Depending on the model, the appearance of your printer may vary. When installing or removing screws, use a flat head screwdriver. Turn off the printer. Open the front door, and then turn off the power switch. Unplug the power cord from the electrical outlet, and then from the printer. Remove the controller board access cover. Remove the rear ports cover. Remove the internal solutions port or ISP cover. Attach the mounting bracket to the controller board. Attach the ISP to the mounting bracket. Connect the ISP extended cable to the ISP connector on the controller board. Secure the ISP to the printer. Attach the rear ports cover. Attach the controller board access cover. Connect one end of the power cord to the printer. To avoid the risk of fire or electrical shock, connect the other end of the power cord to an appropriately rated and properly grounded electrical outlet. Open the front door, and then turn on the power switch. If the display is blank, then press the power button on the control panel.